miss the outside world. Na-miss ko, I saw my mom, I saw my family, I saw everyone. Yung handler ko, yung manager ko, sobrang na-miss ko po talaga sila. Kaya overwhelmed pa ako ngayon. Hindi ko alam anong sasabihin, pero sobrang grateful ako na umabot ako dito at nandito sila para ipakita yung pagmamahal at supportan nila. Sobrang thankful po ako na naniwala sila sa pangarap namin ni River. At they were there for River and I all the way. Ako, I'm so happy even being part of the Big Four. Sobrang saya na ako. Sobrang grateful na talaga ako. And oh my God, nung natawag kami, gusto ko lang sumigaw, tumakbo dito sa labas kasi grabe, sobrang excited na talaga ako makita kung ano nangyayari dito sa labas, sa stage, kung makita yung mga tao. So sobrang happy na talaga ako. Sobrang grateful and contented na po ako that I reached this night, Big Four, and everything that comes with it. Thank you po talaga. Thank you po talaga for everyone who came and supported us, for all the banners and yung LED signs. Pangarap po namin yun ni River. Pinag-uusapan namin yun since first weeks na sana may makita kaming LED signs pagkatapos dito, and we saw them, and sobrang grateful talaga kami hearing the cheers, hearing the shouts and everything. Thank you po talaga. Thank you for supporting us throughout our whole journey. Thank you for believing in us, and we really can't wait to meet you soon. Narinig ko may fan con this coming August, so I'm gonna see you all there. Thank you po talaga. Thank you po talaga. Guys!